What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Mercedes-AMG A35 right in front of us here, and of course Cosmos Black. Now let us take a walk around to show you guys how amazing this car looks before we get right down to the details of the appearance of this car. Now let us first start off with the front lights, shall we? So right in front we have the amazing LED lights that we have on display right here. As you can see, the Mercedes-Benz wording right there, together with the multi-beam LED light, which says right there on the inside. Your DRLs are right on top here. You have your DRLs at the bottom here and here, and these ones down here, your main headlights that will turn on as well. Now, very sharp and angular front lights. At the bottom here, you have an amazing front AMG line, or AMG body kit is what they call it. Gloss black finishing on this side, got some matte finish on this side, air flows through on that way, amazing finish as well. At the bottom center here, you have your satin finish of a chrome like appearance, beautiful touch at the bottom. Your number plate goes right here. You have your Mercedes badging right here, the logo right here in the center. You got your vertical line of your front grille. Love the sensors that are all around it, together with the AMG badging right there, as well as your 360 camera right above the logo. Because the car is actually quite low, so of course the camera, it's at best to leave it a little bit higher. Very nice indeed. You have your Alfa Tabak logo right here. Some cars you get the Mercedes ones, and this is the Alfa Tabak one. Very cool indeed. Your front hood, you have all these lines popping up on this side, even the center here and also here as well. Very nice indeed. Very aggressive looking front car, especially the color is black, so makes it look even more sleek as well. Now for the wheels, you have amazing design, like two-tone finish, black, silver on the outside, AMG wording right there on the wheel. Very nice. Tire size 235 35 R19. Beautiful Pirelli tires, red calipers right there as you can see with the AMG badging, drill disc brakes on the inside part of the wheel for the front, beautiful touch. Turbo 4MATIC word right there at the side, very nice indeed. You have your side mirrors, which also follow the body color as well. The matte bottom finish right here, Cosmos black side mirror on top. You got your chrome lining that goes across the whole car until the back. What I personally would do is I will get the whole side chrome here to become fully blacked out, so even more sleek, and let the door handles be chrome. That's very nice indeed. So let's open up the front passenger door and take a look at the interior. They have this beautiful textured like Artico DINAMICA finish, amazing premium finish at the top right here. Love it. Your seat adjustments on this side, chrome lining on this side, handles to open up the doors right here, window adjustments up and down, handle to hold to pull to close the door, compartment storage down here. You got your speaker right there as well, very nice indeed. Love the setup. Love the AMG wording right here, side black. You also get your AMG wording on the carpet. You do have an amazing seats with red stitching all over the place. Love the red stitching right here, including the side here. And of course you get your red seat belts as well. Get the top headrest right here as well. Love the two-tone finish for the seats. Let's jump right in and take a look at what we're actually seeing. So first thing is, love the AMG wording right here at the dashboard. Your airbag is located right here. Very premium soft finish for the top. Love the air vents that are in this particular design. Love that finish where you can turn it off and turn it on. Ambient lighting should pop up right underneath here if the car is on. Glove compartment is located down here. Very nice high quality finish. Air vents right there. You got your wireless charging right there, type C right here, your other 12-volt socket on this side right here, and also you get your two cup holders on this side as well. Some small minor compartment storage where you keep some stuff. Driving mode is right here. You got your volume up, volume down, your parking sensors and whatnot on this side. So of course you got your main settings and whatnot happening on this particular screen right here. Climate control adjustments, all of them are here. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seat belts are in red, love it. And yes, the sound system has Burmester as well, so very cool. Compartment storage down here, together with your two type C connectivities on this side. Very cool indeed. Let's lower down the volume And let's hop right down to show you guys the rear of this car. So let's open up the back passenger doors and take a look how amazing the rear design doors are like. So premium finish on this side, you got some amazing texture, Artico finishing on this side. You got the handle right here, window adjustments up and down, handle to hold, to pull, to close the door, speakers, Burmester down here as well, compartment storage down here. Love the finishing setup of the interior for the rear, very nice indeed. So let's hop right in and take a look. You got some net right here to keep some stuff, red seat belts once again visible for the rear on here as well. So red seat belts on this side, very cool indeed. So let's leave it right there. Down here you have your cup holders on this side, you got two of them, very nice indeed. And right to the interior for the back, you get some red stitching all over the place as well, very cool. Now you do have your air vents located on this side, your type C located down here. Check out the center view of what people are looking at, very nice indeed. So yeah, very nice indeed, I like it a lot. Fabric lining at the top, very cool, very clean. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear, headroom is good. So let's get right down and take a look at what's happening for the rear wheels for a car like this. So you do have once again your Pirelli car tires that are right here, tire size 235/35 R19. Drill disc brakes for the back as well, red calipers with the AMG wording right there. Love the Mercedes-Benz caps right in the center, AMG wording right on the wheels, that's even more beautiful as well to me. Love the Cosmos black. Let's take a look at the rear. Amazing rear interior. The rear looks fantastic, man, dude. Love the spoiler that is on this car as well. Very, very cool touch. Now let us also take a look at the AMG chrome wording right here. On the right side, you got the A35. Love the Mercedes-Benz badging in the center. You got your amazing rear tail lights like this. We will turn them on shortly to show it to you guys. You got this cut right here at the rear bumper because it's black, so it's very sleek. Not very obvious, but nice as well. You got your exhaust tailpipes right here and right over there. You got this amazing, aggressive looking rear diffuser. Love how this looks, man. Very sporty and nice. Number plate goes right here as well, so very nice. Let's open up the boot. Take a look at the compartment storage. Amazing space. Now what's hiding underneath right here? Your tire repair kit, some tow hooks and other wiring stuff together with your subwoofer. Very cool. You got your seat opening right here to fold down the rear seats. So you guys have plenty of other storage to store, plenty of other stuff. Take a look. Amazing layout. Now let's take a look on this side right here. Very cool. And let's fold down these seats right here. Take a look, guys. Amazing storage space. You can still use a performance car like this to go on your long distance journeys by storing plenty of other stuff in it. So very cool, very practical, very sporty at the same time. Now let's open up the front passenger doors, driver doors. Every time getting complicated. Seat adjustments on your right. Memory seats, you got 3, and also you got your handle to open up the door. Lock, unlock right here. Child lock for the rear. Windows, and side mirror adjustments. Compartment storage down here. Red stitching all over on this side right here with this Artico DINAMICA finish. Handle right here to pull to close the door. Boot opening right here, but you cannot close it from here. You gotta close it from the back. Burmester sound system, very nice. AMG wording right here, the side plates. AMG wording right there on the carpets. Chrome sport pedals, I love it. Lumbar support on this side. Love the interior seats with the red stitching here and there. Let's jump right in. Take a look at what we are seeing. So of course, steering wheel is a gorgeous finish. Love the flat bottom steering like here. AMG wording right there. Love the chrome finish on this side. Also your other adjustments, which is your driving mode and your valve to open and close on this side. Amazing Mercedes logo. Cruise control settings together with your speed limit and whatnot. Resume, cancel. These ones to control this screen right here. These ones are to control that screen over there as well. So yeah, very nice indeed. The car has to be on, I believe, in order for me to actually use it fully. But nevertheless, this is the answering call, rejecting the call, volume up, volume down and things like that, favorite button and whatnot. Pedal shifts, negative, positive, up and down. You got your wiper adjustments together with your light on this side. signal. These ones should be your drive, reverse and your P, together with your lightings on this side, together with your handbrake. Very nice indeed. Start button is located right here at the back. Very cool indeed. Auto start stop. Amazing storage space, as I mentioned earlier. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the driver's seat. This is a very fun car to drive, I believe. So mirrorless rear view mirror, frameless. So SOS call button on this side. You got Mercedes Me lighting adjustments all over the place for the rear. You got your lighting on that side, very cool. You got your lighting on this side as well, and fabric lining at the top. Very nice, high quality finish. Now let's turn on the DRLs to show you guys how does the lights actually look like. Take a look at the front. Amazing layout for a car like this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Love how this car looks. Gorgeous finish, man, dude. Take a look. DRLs right here. As I mentioned, the two dash kind of a lighting right here and here. Very nice indeed. Now let's jump right to the rear and close the boot down to show you guys how amazing the boot actually looks like. Take a look, guys. Damn. Love how the design-like finish for the rear tail lights actually are. Amazing, right? Can you see what I mean? Love it, man. Black car and all the contrast that's happening with this is amazing. Let's turn on the signal lights to show it to you. Right now the side mirrors have the turn indicators right here, and also for the front, take a look once again. Your DRLs that were the top long one earlier automatically switches into your signal lights, and the bottom white dots, the lines right there, the dashes, they still remain lighted and lit up, sorry. Very cool, man. I like it a lot. Take a look at the rear. Let's not forget petrol cap, the left side. Signal light is right underneath, down there. Beautiful look for the Cosmos Black. Right here, let's turn it off and turn this off. Let's see if I can open up and show you guys the engine for this particular car. It's right here. Very cool indeed. Check that out, man, dude. Love the AMG cover right here. Beautiful badge for the Mercedes right there. Beautiful car, man. Damn, love it. Love the setup. Love the turbo settings. Setup for this car is fantastic. Cool. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Mercedes cars or Mercedes AMG cars, do head down to Cycle and Carriage PJ, where you can locate many of their beautiful and gorgeous cars on display, even right up here or even right down there. So they have plenty of other amazing cars right on display. Such a big showroom. They have plenty of other stuff for you guys to see. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.